well.
Pole. Get on pole.
Center, you got it. Taste it. You guys want to earn your Ivy killing badge?
Earn your Ivy badge?
It's wild because
Here?
Nah, if you were in your way, I can't go strong side.
get off it.
Oh, I was gonna say you made the adjustments.
That's my spot.
That's right line.
But to be fair, I think that was my first time hitting that part all day.
Well,
Yeah, low center. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's how you keep a clear path for the
you want to
camera to see.
redo on that one?
Two disc.
You missing two?
No, they're right there.
Oh.
They're right.
Too much this time.
So wrong with this, man. You need to throw up here. Told you last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
Shit themselves.
I'm happy to. You can get them along on new materials. Sure. I can do all that.
So private land, public, preliminary discussions where, you know,
I mean, that's a good mix, but I think that.
I think it's the best thing about this one. It's the sound of the chains off the deep.
Oh, really? Front center of the cage, I own, goes like Monopoly. You land on it, go along. Oh, damn it!
That's sort of left over going into the church, but
Man, that's a good camera ace.
yeah, they love this ground. There before that building was made.
I like the grain out there better. Cold.
You know what that is? That's where I stored all, because I bought these baskets cheap from the boy. I stored them in there forever until I put them out here.